In this video, you will learn how you can hide and unhide apps on your iPhone. So for example, if I want to hide this Motive Audio app here, I will click on this. And now what you need to do is you want to select Require Face ID. Now select Hide and Require Face ID. And then once you do this, you will then be able to select Hide App. Now, once we hide this app, to find this and unhide it, what we need to do is go all the way to the end. If you go to your app library here, if we scroll down to the bottom, you will now see an option for hidden. Click on this. And then once you go ahead and put in your Face ID, you will now see it here. You want to click and hold down. Select Don't Require Face ID. And then that will then be removed. Now, to add this back to our home screen, you need to search. You then want to search for Motive Audio. You then want to click and hold down. And then you can then select Add to Home Screen. And then as you can see, the app is now back on our home screen.